Hey guys, this is Robert, and today I'll be showing you how to apply a screen protector to your Insta360 camera. First thing you gotta do is get your wet wipes, wet it up, and then you dry it, and you apply the glass. So there. This thing's still wet. Now just apply to your camera any way you want to. The next one, you're gonna apply the drying towel. Okay. Now get this. Make sure the opening's right here so you can still see Insta360. Peel it back. You gotta line it up. Alright, mine's lined up. Push it down. And just put some force onto it. Make sure it's good. Evenly apply pressure. It stays where it needs to be. And there you go. Now my Insta360 LCD is covered with some additional protection. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.